శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం 4th స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, all the devatas, they have been remembering the departure of Prithu Maharaju and his wife Archi, and while they were doing departure from their body, all the devatas showered divine flowers, and they started thinking and saying like this: Aho iyam vadhuh dhanya. Archi, Prithu Maharaju's wife, she is so greatly fortunate, and she followed her husband Prithu Maharaju, and both of them attained Sri Vaikuntha Lokam, as and how Sakshat Lakshmi Devi worshipped Sri Mahavishnu, Archi worshipped Prithu Maharaju. And now, because we are devatas, we are able to see their travel towards upper worlds and divine worlds. And as long as that we are able to see, we are seeing that Archi is still following Prithu Maharaju. Like that, all the devatas talking to each other and saying that this is how we are all have to attain Paramatma. This is how, just like Prithu Maharaju and Archi, every human being supposed to be of observing their own duties perfectly and as a service of Sakshat Sriman Narayana. The human life is the base for every human being to attain Sri Vaikuntha Lokam. And attaining Sri Vaikuntham should be the main goal for every human being. Even getting human life itself is very, very hard. But once the human life is blessed, if anyone going after mundane worldly pleasures, they are simply wasting their human life, and they are cheating Sakshat Paramatma, who gave them the opportunity of being a human to attain Sri Vaikuntham. Like that, all the devatas and their wives talking to each other about Prithu Maharaju and Archi, and about the great importance of human life. Like that, Maitreya teaching to Vidura, and what happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.